Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. To start off today's video, I've already removed the previous design and now I'm prepping the nails with Gelish pH Bond, which is a dehydrator. Afterwards, I'm applying Young Nails Protein Bond to help with any future lifting. Now I'm applying a thin layer of Beetle's Base Gel and curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. To create the nail enhancement, I'm using the Gelish Polygel in light pink, and I'm also using the Gelish Slip Solution, then curing the polygel for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. Once the polygel is cured, I'm cleaning the tacky layer off with C&D surface cleanser and a lint-free wipe. Once the tacky layer is removed, I'm shaping the nails with a 100-180 nail file. Then I'm using a fine grit bit to shape the top of the nails, then using a yellow buffing block to smooth out the nails. Once the filing is done, I'm using C&D surface cleanser and a lint-free wipe to clean off all the nails. Here I'm applying a thin layer of Beetle's base gel and then curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. two gel colors I will be using is the Gelish Garden Teal Party and Beetles 325 in white. I'm applying 2 coats, curing it for 30 seconds after each coat in an LED lamp. For the ring finger, I'm applying a thin layer of Beetles base gel, but I'm not going to cure it. I will be applying Young Nails Diamond Dust Glitter on top, then curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. The stamping plate I will be using is Mash Plate number 41, and the stamping polish is Straight Up Black from Maniology. I will be stamping the image to the middle finger. Once I apply the stamp, I will apply a thin layer of Beetles base gel, then curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Once cured, I'll clean off the tacky layer with C&D Surface Cleanser and a lint-free wipe. To enhance the design, I'm using a striping brush and base gel and adding some stripes. Then I'm applying Glam & Glitz glitter in Desire, then curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. To complete these nails, I'm using Beetles Top Gel and curing it for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how I did. Until next time, goodbye.